Hi, my name is Abel Sefa with Hilarion Consulting. Today's video is Artificial Intelligence and M&A Due Diligence Current Trends. M&A stands for Mergers and Acquisitions. The purpose of this video is to provide a brief overview of the use of artificial intelligence in mergers and acquisition due diligence. So before we start, a quick definition of what artificial intelligence is based on the dictionary is artificial intelligence is the theory and development of a computer system able to perform tasks that normally requires human intelligence, such as speech recognition, visual perception, decision making, or translations between languages. Uh, Artificial intelligence and M&A due diligence. One of the areas AI has proven to be useful in the legal profession is M&A due diligence. An M&A transaction due diligence has several goals. Understand the target's business, identify and accolade the potential risk, design use risk protection mechanisms, such as representation, warranties, insurance, specific indemnities, escrows. And to achieve these goals, lawyers need to review hundreds of documents, and this process is very tiring. So, how can AI help in the merger and acquisition due diligence process? AI currently assists in identifying, classifying, organizing, and prioritizing and highlighting documents that are relevant in the context of a transaction in a more effective, time, and efficient cost manner. From a target seller standpoint, AI could be used in two different phases of the transaction. Gathering documents for due diligence exercise and disclosure schedule. So for gathering documents for the due diligence exercise, AI can assist categorizing and gathering documents that will later be uploaded into the virtual data room. Next one, for disclosure and schedules, AI can classify documents that should be listed in the disclosure schedules of the SPA in order to limit the seller's liability, seller's purchase agreement liability. Overall, AI could be used in managing and streamlining the due diligence process. AI can assist in reviewing near identical documents and help identify the difference between them, which can allow to classify the documents according to different categories in areas where large number of similar documents appear. For example, human resources. AI allows to conduct full review of those, avoiding samplings. AI can also automatically detect languages, thus allowing to engage outside counsel from other jurisdictions at an earlier stage. So, what are some of the risks that's resulting from the use of AI in merger and acquisition due diligence? AI could help to automate the due diligence, leading to cheaper and faster transactions that are managed more efficiently. However, AI implies certain risks, such as the main risk would be liability. AI helps to analyze it in a more efficient manner, standard and ambiguous terms in agreement. The review of ambiguous and not highly standardized terms require further training of a system and may result in overlooking documents or provision or in the misinterpretation. This may be caused by failure in the software or by an insufficient training of the program. The firm obviously exposed to liability, but could the software manufacturers be liable too? That's a big question mark. By using AI, the firm could be the subject of cyber attack, which may expose sensitive and confidential information. That would be the next risk associated with using AI for due diligence. The next one would be in certain jurisdictions, it could also be questioned whether the use of AI may affect the attorney client privilege. So, in conclusion, considering its current development status, AI can be certainly used to improve and streamline the M&A due diligence process. However, it should be regarded as a tool and not as a substitute of a lawyer. We are not here yet at the age of legal robot era, but law firms should be mindful of the risks that the use of AI rendering legal services implies. Of in particular concern is liability in which law firms may incur as a result of malfunctions of the streamlined misinterpretation of their findings. AI is intense in the use of capital and human resource. Firms should be ready not only to spend money in the software, but also to have available the human resource that the use of AI requires.